Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix server maintenance underway. Please wait and try again later in the game eFootball on Android devices. So if you are getting this server maintenance underway problem in eFootball 2026 game on Android phones, then here are some of the few fixes that you can try to solve this problem. Now before performing any of the fixes, first check the server status of the eFootball 2026 game. So open Chrome and in Chrome search for eFootball server status, and you will see that eFootball servers are currently undergoing maintenance as of April 15, 16, 2026 with reports indicating scheduled downtime and potential additional maintenance. Users on console, PC and mobile may experience connection issue or offline status during this update. So you're getting this server maintenance underway error because their server status is offline, under maintenance or having any outage. So you can't do anything to fix this problem. You have to just wait for the server status to get back online, or you have to wait for the server status to get back restored, and then you can check back later. In the meantime, tap on this cross icon and then again tap on this circle icon and see if that helps or not. Now if it is still showing server maintenance underway, then I would like to advise you to kindly wait for the server maintenance to get complete and then you can check back later. You can also try to restart your device and then check, or you can connect to VPN. So open Play Store, tap on search for VPN and then search for it, and then you can install any VPN such as Express VPN, Turbo VPN, Proton VPN, Ninja VPN, Nord VPN. So you can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store and then connect to VPN, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if a problem is solved or not. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.